lines that will play a big deal, and more than anything, the reason I want to cover these is because these are going to look strange when you first see their equations. Horizontal and vertical lines, just think of like when the sun sets in the horizon, are perfectly flat lines. Vertical are straight up and down lines. Well, let's look at, I want to first look at, let's just kind of come up with the equation just to establish a difference. My x and y axis, I'll just go ahead and just put x and y. For my vertical line, so we don't confuse it with the y-axis, I'll just put bold arrows. And let's look at some ordered pairs. And again, it wouldn't matter what ordered pair we pick. Let's call this, it doesn't matter, 4, 0. It won't matter what we call it because look at, when we go to this ordered pair, it means 4, 3. When we go to this ordered pair, it means 4, 7. When we come down to this ordered pair, it means 4, -2. What holds this to be a vertical line is that every single time we go 4 over, and we go up and down however far we want to go. Notice that every single one of those pairs has something in common. My x equals 4, the equation of this line, x equals 4. And here's what's going to happen is on your homework, you're going to get used to graphing y equals -1/2 x plus 3. Y equals -2 over 7x plus 8. Y equals x. And you're going to use to put it in zeros, put it in ones, putting things over 1. All these different things. And then all of a sudden in your homework, it's going to ask you to graph x equals -2. And all of a sudden now everything about my slope, my y-intercept, all that kind of falls apart. But don't think too hard into these. These are far easier. When x equals -2, go to, well, my x-axis, -2. Oh, vertical line. Done. These ones are so much quicker and so much easier that it's almost deceptive. On the homework, when it tells you to graph x equals 1, don't even worry about y-intercepts or slopes or anything else. Go to where on my x-axis? My x value is 1, vertical line. Done. Even if I'm asked to graph x equals 0, this one is almost even easier at the origin. I don't go left to right at all. I draw my vertical line. That is the equation of my y-axis. And in fact, when you get into some of your linear programming problems later, where you're talking about optimizations and all these other things, that's going to probably be one of our restrictive lines. X equals 0, the equation of my y-axis.